Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
What have we here? It's crunchy taco shell. This is some ground up beef that I just cooked up with a little salt and pepper. Here's some shredded Mexican cheese, some chopped tomatoes, some chopped romaine lettuce, and some salsa. Hola, Mike Foster here. Time for a classic crunchy taco. Simple, simple, simple to make with those simple, easy ingredients. Just ground up that beef. It's easy to do. You've seen me do it dozens of times. And then do this and put this bad boy together. Check it out. Another classic recipe. All right. This is a shell you can get anywhere. It's corn tortilla. All right. First thing we do is we put this ground beef in there. This is an 80-20 mix. As you can see. Just like that. It's easy. Look at it. Anyone can do this. Next, take that cheese. Put that baby right here. All right. Let's cover it with cheese. See that? I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 20 seconds. I'll be right back. All right. That's been nuked and melted. Next, we add tomatoes. Just like that. Look at this. Next, I like to add the salsa. This is just a nice medium salsa. Perfect. Then finish it off with this shredded lettuce. All right. There it is. There's the close-up of a classic crispy beef taco. Can't wait for a bite. There it is. It's that simple. It's that easy. Let's see if it's that delicious. I can't wait. Oh, this is perfect. The crispy shell are just right, chewy enough, not too crunchy. The meat with that cheese melted, perfect. Seasoned very lightly, a little salt and pepper. The salsa's kicking in, sweetness from the tomato, and crunchiness from this lettuce. Classic. One more bite. Oh, that's a sweet little baby babu. Oh yeah, it was simple to make. But try it. Get out there and eat classic foods. Oh, so good. And for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. And keep living life 365 until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
That's classic and gone. Baba. Goodbye. Still chilling. Peace.